Welcome to our channel. If you've lost your driver's license and need to report it to the DMV, follow these step-by-step instructions to notify authorities and request a replacement license. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website as soon as you realize your license is lost. Most states offer online services for reporting lost licenses and requesting replacements. Step 2. Navigate to the Replace Lost or Stolen License or Duplicate License section on the DMV website. The exact wording may vary depending on your state. Step 3. Log in to your DMV account if you have one, or create a new account by providing your personal information, including name, address, date of birth, and driver's license number if you remember it. Step 4. Fill out the online form for a lost or stolen license. You'll need to confirm your identity and provide details about when and where you lost your license. Step 5. If your state requires in-person visits, schedule an appointment at your local DMV office through the website. Bring required identification documents such as a passport or birth certificate. Step 6. Pay the replacement fee, which typically ranges from $15 to $30 depending on your state. Most DMV websites accept credit cards, debit cards, or electronic checks. Step 7. Submit your application and wait for confirmation. Some states issue temporary licenses immediately, while others mail the replacement to your registered address within 2 to 4 weeks. Step 8. Once you receive your new license, verify that all information is correct. If you find your old license later, destroy it to prevent identity theft or misuse. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.